Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Caterpillar easy tutorial step by step clearly. To invest in Caterpillar, start by researching the company's fundamentals. Visit their official website to review their latest financial reports. Understand their business model and market position. Familiarize yourself with the industry trends affecting Caterpillar's performance. Decide how much capital you wish to invest. Ensure you have a clear investment strategy in place. Open a brokerage account if you don't have one. Choose a reputable online brokerage that offers access to Caterpillar stocks. Complete the required KYC and fund your account. Once your account is funded, search for Caterpillar's stock ticker symbol, which is CAT. Analyze the current market conditions and stock price trends. Evaluate whether it's a good time to buy based on your research. Place a market order if you're ready to buy shares. Or consider a limit order to set a specific price you're willing to pay. After purchasing, monitor your investment regularly. Keep abreast of any news related to Caterpillar and the construction equipment industry. Review your investment strategy periodically to make adjustments. Stay informed about global economic factors that could affect Caterpillar's performance. Engage in community forums or financial discussions for additional insights. Consider setting up alerts for significant market changes related to Caterpillar. Decide on your exit strategy based on your investment goals. This could be setting a target price to sell or a timeline for holding. By following these steps, you can successfully invest in Caterpillar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.